Welcome back to New Brand Car, where we dive into the latest and most exciting cars shaping the future of the automotive industry. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Plymouth Cuda AAR, a bold revival of an American muscle car legend. This new iteration takes the iconic nameplate and brings it into the modern era with cutting-edge technology, high performance, and a design that pays homage to its classic roots while embracing the future. The original Plymouth Cuda AAR was introduced in 1970 as a high-performance variant of the Barracuda, built to compete in the Trans Am racing series. The name AAR stood for All American Racers, a reference to the team that campaigned the car on the track. Now, in 2025, the Cuda AAR is reborn with an aggressive stance, advanced engineering, and a powertrain that delivers the thrilling muscle car experience enthusiasts crave. The 2025 Plymouth Cuda AAR is designed and produced under the Stellantis Group, the parent company of brands like Dodge and Chrysler. Given the massive success of modern muscle cars like the Dodge Challenger and Charger, Plymouth is making a statement by reviving this legendary name. The car is primarily marketed in North America, where muscle cars have a deep-rooted fanbase, but it also has strong appeal in Australia, the Middle East, and select European markets where American performance cars have developed a cult following. When it comes to popularity, the 2025 Cuda AAR is already generating buzz among classic car enthusiasts and modern performance seekers alike. Its retro-inspired yet futuristic design, combined with cutting-edge technology, makes it stand out in an era increasingly dominated by electric and hybrid vehicles. While traditional muscle cars have always been loved for their raw power, this new Cuda AAR brings modern aerodynamics, advanced suspension, and next-gen materials into the mix, making it a true performer on both the road and the track. Under the hood, the performance of the 2025 Cuda AAR is nothing short of breathtaking. It is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.2L Hemi V8, producing around 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful muscle cars of its time. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, but a 6-speed manual option is available for purists who want a more hands-on driving experience. With all-wheel drive, AWD, and launch control, the Cuda AAR can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, placing it among the elite performance cars of 2025. While muscle cars aren't typically known for fuel efficiency, the Cuda AAR incorporates cylinder deactivation technology, allowing it to shut off half of its cylinders when cruising to improve fuel economy. Drivers can expect around 18 mpg combined, which is reasonable considering its immense power output. However, for those looking for a more efficient option, there's a hybrid-assisted version that offers better mileage and instant torque delivery. The capabilities of the 2025 Cuda AAR go beyond straight-line speed. It features a track-tuned suspension system, adaptive dampers, and a lightweight carbon fiber body, reducing overall weight while increasing rigidity. The massive Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, while its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior handling even in wet conditions. Some of the key features include a fully digital cockpit with a 12-inch customizable driver display, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. The interior is a blend of modern luxury and race-inspired design, featuring Alcantara seats, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting. Advanced driver assistance features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera come standard, making it a muscle car that doesn't compromise on safety and technology. The price of the 2025 Plymouth Cuda AAR starts at around $75,000 for the base model,